Welcome back to your girl Soraya Morse's YouTube channel. So today I'm making a video on my Heritage DNA testing kit. I literally only spent $35 online to buy this, and you just pull it out of the little box here. It literally comes in the cutest little purple box. It's so cute. You can go to their website if you want one yourself and you want to figure out where you come from, then definitely. And then opening it up here, it's got my DNA kit activation reminder. So this is like how to get started. Go to the website, set up the activation code, and then the name of the person being tested. Go to the website. So they got an app that you can download. I think right here, it's this orange app here, My Heritage. So they got like the little packages in here. We got the little testing bottle here. So I'm not for sure what's gonna go on in this whole testing thing, but we'll figure it out. We'll see what to do. And then, let's see. So I don't know what's going on with this, but it's not acting right. So let's see. I'm trying to make a new password and it's acting crazy right now. Saying my old password, can't use that. That's alright though. Alright. Okay. Logging in here, and then it wants you to fill out all your information, your first name, your last name, all of that, and then your date of birth, which is 17, 3. Let's see. Where is Morris Origin Kids? DNA tracking kid. Let's see. Tracking kid. Sorry. So I'm pretty sure you like take the test and then you send it back in the mail, and then they'll like get the results for you. So let's go to the setups. Let's see. Signature activation code. M H 8 J J 3 M H. Let's go with that already. H C A. Continue. Say yes. Would you like to share? Yes. So it's gonna like, after you like type in the activation code onto myheritagedna.com setup, you're gonna type in like your login, and then it's gonna ask for that code that's on this paper. So you'll type in that code, and then it's gonna ask you sharing data with the DNA matches, and then sharing ethnicity estimate and genetic groups. Would you like to share your ethnicity estimate and genetic groups with your DNA matches? I said yes. And then sharing DNA segment data, I'm gonna say yes, and then continue. And then activating kit, participate in research, have read the DNA informed consent. So it's gonna ask you to read like the informed consent paper, and then you'll click check. I'm not gonna like read that or anything, probably not. I'm not worried, but continue. So everything is like accepted here. It's been checked off, and then click activate, and then it's gonna ask you to start your family tree. So you'll go and it's gonna ask you about your mother. So you'll type in your mom's name, okay, country of birth. She was just born in the United States. And then year of birth, she was in 1982. Next, Miranda, county of birth, 1982. Next, enter valid date. What the heck? That is a valid date. Is alive, yes. I don't know her maiden name, honestly. She's never had one, I don't think. So, yeah, I don't think she's never had one of those. What other date would she be born on? 1982 was when she was born. So, let's see. 1962? It's gonna let me do 1962. That's not when she was born. What the heck? It's 1982. Okay, so still not letting me. So 1992. Get a hold of them and see why. Once your father's information, so you're gonna put in your father's name, well, and then your father's mother. Okay, I don't know. She was born either. I will have to ask. I'll have to go back and fix this data. But right now, I'm just gonna put in some random birthday dates and try to guess. Let's see. I don't know what my dad's name is. I'll just put random stuff here for now. DNA kit and then activate. Okay, so now it's just gonna go through like the steps. So the first step would be open the test kit and lay out the unopened swab and vial on the clean surface. So it's this swab here that you take. Remove the swab from its wrapper and use the swab head to scrape the inside of your cheeks while rotating the swab for 30 seconds. So open this swab up here. Okay, now once you got it all wet, you're gonna open the vial, insert the swab inside and in down. So we're gonna take this little vial here and then down. The swab touches the bottom of the vial, break the swab against the edges. Okay, now that is done. Okay, and then inside the liquid in the vial, lay the swab inside the liquid, close the cap tightly, and then place it inside the neat little bag that they gave us here. Super quick process, not a hard thing to do at all. And then after that, pay the post office and mail the envelope to our DNA lab. Once the lab receives your sample, we'll inform you via email. So pay the post office and mail the envelope to our DNA lab. Alright, perfect. And then that's all you gotta do, and that's it. That's literally, so they already gave us like a little post office note here, and then kind of fold it up so it can like fit nice and neat in there, and then place it into that, and then close it. Perfect. It's gonna be so perfect. Okay, now that is all done. Now once that is handled, you're gonna put this back into the box here, and then you got this envelope, and then I don't think that they need this at all. Well, I don't know for sure. Well, no, they don't need this. I'm 100% sure now. Okay, and then place the pay the possession envelope to our DNA lab. Oh. Received. So yeah, I'll put the link to this kit box if you want it in the video down below so that you can buy it yourself and check out this ancestry heritage and all of that. I've been literally dying to know what my heritage is because my mom doesn't really know our heritage, neither does my dad, and they can literally go back before like my grandparents and find like our heritage and our ancestors and what we were about and all of that. So yeah, and then give my video a big thumbs up, and then comment if you have any questions, share my video, and subscribe. And then I'll see everybody next time, and then I'll have like some more videos coming soon. So yeah, but au revoir.